Hey there, it's Joe from dadsguidetotwins.com. I wanted to share with you a pretty cool thing that we discovered for our family. They're called KidsErgo. It's active seating for your kids. Now, if your kids are like mine, they're kind of fidgety, always in motion. It's hard to get them to sit still. Now, with these KidsErgo seats, that's not a problem because the seat lets you kind of wiggle around a little bit, and that lets the kids get out their energy, get out their wiggles, while still focusing on the task at hand. Our girls love to sit in these, in the family room when we're gathered together for movies or for reading. They'll even take them in their rooms and use them at their desks when they're working on their homework. Kind of helps them focus and concentrate because their bodies can still move around and get out some energy while focusing on a task at hand like homework. These KidsErgo come in 6 different colors. As you see here, my girls love the purple and the blue seating. We found that these really encourage good posture because they kind of force you to sit up straight, your back in a proper position, and we found that our kids love them. Lets them move around. As you can see, they have fun playing with them as well. These KidsErgo are made from some heavy-duty plastic, so they're very sturdy and durable and support the weight of your child, and they look like they're built to last. So if you want to learn more about these KidsErgo seating arrangements, go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. And if you like more videos about gear that can help you with your children, go ahead and check out one of these other videos and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on parenting your twins. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.